Close in Word document. Close the file without exiting the program. If the file contains any unsaved changes, you will be prompted to save the file before closing. You can close all open files by holding down Shift and closing Close All on the File menu. On the File menu, click Close. To close all open documents without exiting the program, hold down Shift and click Close All on the File menu. Save. To save your document, choose one of the following methods. Press Ctrl plus S. Click the Save button on the standard toolbar, the button that looks like a floppy disk. Choose File and Save. Remember, if you are saving a document for the first time, Word asks you to choose a name for your file. Ideally, you should make your file name as descriptive as possible, such as reminder to date or interview call letters. So it jars your memory about the document's contents when you have not looked at this file for a while. If you have a multiple documents open and want to save them all in one keystroke, hold down the Shift key and choose File Save All. The longest file name that Word can handle is 255 characters. File names must not be include the forward slash, backslash, greater than, less than, and question mark. Question marks, pipe symbol, column or semicolon. Saving your document under a new name or as a different file type. Suppose you wrote a report that took 5 days to write and how you have to write a similar report due on Monday. Rather than starting from scratch, you can open your old report, save it as a new document, and then edit this new document while leaving the original document intact. Save all open documents at the same time. Hold down Shift and click Save All on the File menu. Word saves all open documents and templates at the same time. If any open documents have never been saved, the Save As dialog box appears so that you can name them. Save a Word document as a web page or a framed page. On the File menu, click Save As Web Page. If you want to save the document in a different folder, locate and open the folder. In the file name box, type a name for the document. You can use long descriptive file names if you want. Click Save. Learn about the changes that occur when you convert a Word document to a web page. To move your web page and frame pages and all supporting files, choose Save as a web page file menu and choose a new location. Learn about moving frames and frames pages. Save as. Choose File, Save As. The Save As dialog box appears. Type a new name for your file in the file name box. Optional, click in the Save As type list box and choose a file format to use, such as Word Perfect 5.0 or Works 4.0 for Windows. Click Save. Remember, Word documents are compatible with the Word 2000 documents, but not always completely compatible with the older version of Word, such as those created by Word 97 or Word 6.0. If you want to save a Word document so someone else can edit it using an older version of Word. Choose the Save As command and choose as a file format such as Word 6.0 for 95. In the Save As, type list box of the Save As dialog box. Web page preview. Always you to preview the document file as a web page in your browser so that you can see how it will look before publishing it. Preview your document as a web page. Use this procedure to preview your document or web page in your default web browser. On the file menu, click the web page preview. Defining your pages. Before you print your Word documents, you may want to define your pages, margin and paper size to define your pages to the following. Choose File, Page Setup. Page Setup dialog box appear. Click the margin tape and click the top, bottom, left or right boxes to define the margin you want to set. The margin tape appears in Page Setup dialog box as shown here. Click the paper tape and then click in the paper size list box to define the paper size such as legal or A4 sheet. You may also want to define the specific width and height of your pages. Click in the first page and other pages list boxes under the paper source group to define the location of the paper you want to use for your printer. Click the layout tab. The layout tab lets you define if you want your headers and footers to appear differently and add or even pages or whether they should appear on the first pages or not. Click OK. Thank you.